Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here today. I'm just going to show you today's install, which is on a Renault Kadjar. This is our style 4 screen, which is obviously this part here. It comes with this frame part down here and a big hole down there to put your AC panel there, which is original to the car. This is our top end spec model. It has got the best of every component inside that's out on this type of industry and market, and it's all being put into the system. It's got 2K resolution, it's got built-in DSP, it's got all the best chipsets in there, best processors, and the statement is that it's actually quicker than the Snapdragon 685 processor. So basically what you'll see on this is it's going to be like a really rapid unit. So I'll just give you a little rundown of the homepage. This is like, no idea why the factory decided to put that on there. You can change the colour of that if you don't like grey. Pink, should I say. You can change it to red if you want. So this is your homepage here. It comes with a built-in DAB radio app, which is built in anyway. It doesn't need an online connection. So just to give you a little on that, and just to show you the speed, as you can see, it's absolutely rapid. You can change the region if you want. So if you want to put Ireland, you get a whole list of new stations here. All these a nice little, you can see how quick and responsive that is. So there's all your ID3 tags, which shows like the album covers. You can put like, let me have a look where UK is. Probably spot it quicker than I can, to be honest with you. I'll do that in a bit, like, to be honest with you. Okay, so that's your online DAB app there. So basically it doesn't need an interconnection to that. Just go back on this one here. There's your Bluetooth streaming app. So if you wanted to stream your music from your phone and you're old fashioned, and you can do it through there, as you can see. This is the name of the phone that it's paired to, so it does show you all the data there. You can put all the different types of devices on there, and that's your Bluetooth menu. So let's go on to the next one. This one here is your FM AM radio. Again, does have RDS, so we'll show the station name. As you can see, RDS down there. It's just that we haven't programmed it for it. But yeah, you can change the radio station if you want. That's the FM AM radio. This part's the DSP sound processor. So if you're into customizing all your sound output, if you want to put a subwoofer to it or whatever, then you can do it through there. As you can see, it's really precise on that one. So just going on this one here, that CarLink is your Android Auto CarPlay app. So it is wireless. So if you're into using CarPlay for Apple or Android Auto for Android phone, you can use this app here. If you're not too familiar with that that app itself, then it is an app that brings over, it's like a hub app, so it brings over apps from your phone onto the system. It recognises all the memory of your app that you've used. So if you've got like a history on Google Maps, if you've got phone call history from your phone, it'll all come up in this app here. Some people don't want to use it for like Netflix and YouTube and stuff like that, which you can do, but this is an app ideal for you because it's got a verbal communication tool with it. So obviously you can use your Siri or Google support. So if I say Google now, obviously it's going to say what you want to do, but I'll give you an example. If you use an Apple phone and you want to do Hey Siri, it'll say what you want to do, say call this person or take me to here or whatever, and that will do it through that app here. So going back to the home page, just to the Android side, is on back onto here. These down here, they're just basically recently used apps. So if you're using like one app more than another, then we'll show like a shortcut on there. You can change these if you want. This is a little bit of CAN bus information for your mileage and stuff like that. Shows you like miles per hour and stuff, and that's there. It does work with the steering wheel controls, just to show you in the background. But you can't see in the background, should I say. Just work with your steering wheel controls, your skip and your volume buttons. We have installed an aftermarket rear camera in today, which I'll just show you that. So you can see that there, and also the sensors working are visual on here. So obviously I'm not going to back up any further because that's our door. So going back to the applications, which is obviously the main applications, we haven't installed anything other than the system and rear camera. So all these apps here, what you see, are all pre-installed onto the system. You can add your own if you want there. So this one here is an ADAS recorder, which is for a DVR camera, which is a front-facing camera, not being installed today. This app here is pretty clever. It's some of these apps are customized by the Chinese factories. So for the likes of this one here, it can only be found it can't be found in the Google Play Store, this one. So what the Chinese are doing now are putting their own app store on there. So if you ever need to update any of these, in the past you would normally have to contact the vendor or like the likes of ourselves if we sold it to you, and we'd send it by a download link. You'd have to put it on a USB pen, upload it that way. But on this one now here, it's got its own app store there, so basically once you give it an internet connection, you can go into the app store, the Chinese manufacturers, and the maps that are not in the Google Play Store, you upload them and install from there. There's your aux, which is your aux icon, so if you want to link anything like a TV box or anything through the RCNs, AVNs, you can use that app there. The Bluetooth, which I showed you, calculator, self-explanatory. This CarPlay, link is your CarPlay Android Auto. This here Chrome is the just a browser, which if you want to do a little bit of internet browsing, you can do that. This one here doesn't really apply in this car because it comes with a CAN bus box, which is a little digital box that links into the car's ECU, and the radio communicates, i.e. the steering wheel controls and your links through that CAN bus box. But some systems and some cars that we sell to, which is like quite old, and you just work off like a basic analog CAN bus, you can't preset the steering wheel controls. You can't do it on this one, to be honest with you, because it's all preset for you. DSP, showed you that. So this is an app that if you know, you know. If you don't, a lot of people tend to want to put like IPTV on there and stuff like that, and you can do it through that app there if you want. Gallery, which is for pictures. Google, same as Chrome, just a browser. Demo map. Google Maps here. This is your MP3. One second. MP3 player. Oh no, that's your radio. Sorry, apologies on that one. The MP3 player might be under the video there. So just going over to that. That one's the radio, FM radio. This is your operation guide. So this is your actual menu. The user guide for it. You see, so obviously you'd get it through there. Play Store, which is your Google Play Store. Once you sign in, you can download whatever apps on there you can. Go into route. Let's have a look at this one. I've not seen this one before. So this is just obviously factories always putting new ones on there. So it might be just a case of a bit of trick computer information for that one there. Settings. This is your back end settings here. So obviously this is where you just adjust all your any Android settings in there. This one here, touch assist. That icon be a little bit annoying for some people there, because obviously it's no use, neither no use or ornament, to be honest with you. So you can turn that off, which we tend to do that anyway. So that little circle's gone. Vehicle settings, okay. So depending what car we sell this to, the vehicle settings app will be customized to the car it goes in. So if you put that screen in like a Ford, they'll have different menu settings. So we change the firmware on it, and basically you get different settings. But this is the Kadjar settings here. So I'll just run through there. A lot of people tend to say, does it show the car's computer information? We never confirm on it, only reason being because it might show 98% of the car's computer information, but you might be missing one. So we just prefer you to have a little look at this video to see what it's got and what it's not got. Radar sounds, okay, that's for the sensors. Onboard computer information. A little bit of trip computer information there. Vehicle information settings. Ambient lighting, driver assist, park assist. Seat settings, multi-sense, reset the command and amplifier, and the air conditioning settings, soft, normal, fast, automatic, external circulation. Okay, so just down here is a video player, just to show you that the 2K resolution. You can see it's nice, crisp and clear picture. You can go picture in picture, so you can move that round if you want. Let's get that off there. You've got YouTube app, which you're probably watching this video on. So yeah, just need an internet connection. Dead easy to get an internet connection. So you can just either use your phone's hotspot, connect it to the Wi-Fi, which is this here. Switch that to on, and it'll find your hotspot. Alternatively, you can use a SIM card too, 4G SIM card. So if you wanted to use the SIM card holder, which it comes with, then you can put it in there. So it's got an internet connection now. So should be able to work these type of apps. Let's have a little look. Iceboxauto. So you can see how quick that was loading up. Here's just a load of our videos. See, it's just dead quick. It's probably quicker than a bloody computer. So let's just show you an example of one of our videos. So quick it loaded up. Full screen. How nice is that? So I'll just put the steering wheel, the volume up.
I'm just doing a quick video today to show you.
There you go. Lovely job. Don't like the sound of my own voice, to be honest with you. Go back to that. See what other apps I can use for you, just to show you. Google Maps. Okay, so obviously it takes a few minutes to find its satellite because we've only just linked it up there, but You can see how quick this is, absolutely no lag whatsoever. Okay. It is bloody quicker than an iPhone, to be honest with you. Spin it round like that. Okay, that's that there. Hope you like that. So yeah, hope you like the video, guys. I'll just bring it to an end now. I mean, as I say, there's not much I can say more about it, but yeah, hope you like the video and hope to see you soon. We'll put all our contact details down below and the link to the product to the website in the description. So if you've got any comments, drop them in the comments box or give us a call on the contact details. And also subscribe to our channel, because we always bring loads of tips to videos to optimise your systems, new products, new product ranges. Yeah, so yeah, take care, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.